In this video, I will provide you with some information for hip roofs. And the hip roof is the default for the roof here that we draw. We just draw 4 exterior walls. We are going to get a hip roof. And if I was going to draw a couple of walls, let's just say like this, then I'm going to get a different roof like this, but it's mainly going to be hips and valleys. And let's just go ahead and take a look at what this actually looks like. Okay, there it is. And remember, it's an 8 and 12 pitch. So that's kind of how that would look. Now let's just take and move some walls here. I'm going to move this wall this way and this one this way. And you kind of see how it's changing all of this. Changes all of this stuff as we design it a little differently. So as we move some of these walls around, you can see where the hips, the valleys, the ridges, this turns into a hip again, another ridge here, and then back up here. Now again, I can change the pitch of the roof in the same way by going to the default tab, going to roof, like I did in the gable roof, if you saw that. So I'm going to change this to a 10 and 12, and we'll leave this alone. Push OK. Done. Let's go back and look, and it'll be a little steeper here. This really helps because sometimes you want to kind of get an idea what the design is going to look like. Now let's just say that I wanted to take this right here. I wanted to change the pitch. I could change it on all 3 of these, or actually on all of this. But let's just say I want to change this right here. Let's go back and find the wall. That should be this wall over here. The lower, oops, that would be the lower one. Is there a lower one here? Okay. Going up to the valley, let's look. It'll be where our camera is, where our camera is facing. Okay, so let's say I want to change this wall. I'm going to double click on it with the left mouse button, double click, and I'm going to come up to roof, and I'm going to change this to a 4 so that we can see it. Now remember, I got to get rid of the default, so I'm going to go to 4 inches, leave the overhangs like they are, and push OK. And you can see where it's changed the pitch on this thing. Let's take a look at it. So there's the pitch on that. You can change the individual pitches on these and have them blend in. Let's change the other pitch here. Double click, roof. What did I change to? 4 inches. Change this one. 4 inches, roof, 4 inches, enter. And then we're going to have to change this one also. Roof, 4 inches. So now we've got a wacky looking roof here. But again, this might be something that you need for some reason. Go back there. So I'm going to kind of throw out some different ideas throughout these videos and through the entire series. So with that said, I am going to end this video here right now. And in the next video series, I will talk about some of the different roof styles that is also available in the Home Designer Professional and Architectural and the Suite series. Also, and don't forget, if you need a link, I'm going to try and put one in each one of the video description tabs if you want to check out the software. And if the link isn't there, and I might have already said this in the video, that means that I'm either not selling the product or not allowed to sell the product, or there is no money in selling the product.